In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Kanban view in Salesforce. Kanban is a visual way to look at your records so you can quickly see how work is progressing. Instead of scanning rows in a table, you'll see columns with cards you can scan at a glance. This is especially helpful when you want to understand where things stand by a specific field, like a status or stage. Let's walk through how to switch your current list into Kanban and set it up so it makes sense for your workflow. First, open the record list you want to view in Kanban mode. This could be accounts, leads, contacts, or any other object you regularly manage. Make sure you're looking at the list for that object in Salesforce, not an individual record. If you use different apps in Salesforce, navigate to the app and tab where those records live so the list appears in front of you. Next, look toward the top right of your list. You'll see a small table icon that represents the display options for your list. It typically looks like a set of rows or a grid. Click that icon to open the view picker. From the options that appear, select Kanban. Your list will instantly switch from a traditional table into a board with columns and cards. Now you'll be prompted to choose how you want to group your records. This is what gives Kanban its power. Pick the field that makes the most sense for the way you track progress. For example, you might group leads by status or accounts by type, depending on your process and the fields available in your org. After you've selected the appropriate group by field, click Save. Salesforce will build your Kanban board based on that selection, and you'll see each column labeled with the values of the field you chose. That's all there is to it. You've switched your list into a Kanban view and grouped it in a way that makes the most sense for your work. If you don't see the Kanban option or the grouping field you expect, it may be related to your permissions, the page layout, or the fields configured for that object. In that case, check with your Salesforce administrator for guidance. To recap, open the list for the object you want. Click the table icon in the top right. Choose Kanban, pick your group by field, and save. With just those steps, you get a clean visual snapshot of your records that makes it easier to understand where everything stands at a glance.